Hey drums, welcome to Konundrum Investments, and I am your host Konundrum. On today's episode, we are going to discuss Robinhood's pre-IPO opportunity for their retail investors. Robinhood plans on offering about 20 to 35% of their shares at a price between $38 to $42 on July 29, 2021, only to their online brokerage app users. Not everyone who requests shares will get their orders filled, because orders will get filled at random. You can use the ticker called HOOD to place orders today. Keep in mind, Robinhood has around 17.7 million monthly active users, and they will more likely be your competition. From that perspective, investing into Robinhood may provide a good opportunity to own and be a part of a platform that most millennials and younger generations are using to invest because of its easy-to-use interface and provided supplemental information on investing. Robinhood has seen a rapid growth in new users during the pandemic. There's two tiers to the app. The first one is the free version, where there is a $1,000 limit on instant deposits when transferring money into Robinhood. This free entry level also provides basic information about companies. The second tier, also known as Robinhood Gold, offers instant deposits as high as $50,000 and provides up-to-date detailed information on companies. This tier costs about $5 a month. Moreover, the Robinhood app allows you to invest at least $1 into any company available on their platform in the form of fractional shares. Robinhood also provides you with the option of having a debit card that is linked directly to your unused cash on your brokerage account. This comes in handy because it skips the 3 to 7 days needed to verify a money transfer from the brokerage account to your personal bank account. Especially when instant cash is needed for emergencies, customers still earn about 0.30% APY on uninvested funds. This is more than the average 0.04% bank accounts offer. Moreover, pre-IPO is the latest feature that Robinhood has released, which allows consumers to snatch up shares of popular companies before going public. As stated on the Statista website, first-day stock IPO gains were about 36%, meaning more than likely if you're buying a stock on its IPO day, then you're overpaying for shares that may drop after the first, second, or third month of trading, which could potentially put your initial investment back to even or negative. That's why we usually refrain from buying stocks on IPO days. I have to admit, we have already placed an order for 100 shares at Robinhood pre-IPO price range. Remember to visit the Robinhood website and review the other features that were not covered in this video.
Hey drums, I'm Harry the Bear. Investing in Robinhood doesn't guarantee any future profits. This company fundamentals is very controversial. For instance, the only reason they don't charge for each transaction, whether a customer is buying or selling stocks, is because they've implemented a payment for order flow, where they sell customers' orders to a third party to be filled. Some would say, since the company profits depend on the number of transactions occurring on their platform, that Robinhood encourages their customers to make more exchanges via triggers. Some of these triggers came in the form of gaming-like graphics, such as raining confetti that offered instant gratification when transferring money into Robinhood or buying their first stock. The confetti has now been replaced with a lighting animation due to prior complaints from the public. Even the instant messaging that a person receives after a transaction acts as a virtual pat on the back with congratulating words and emojis. These messages may be perceived as encouraging consumers to perform more transactions. Moreover, the payment for order flow represented about 81% of their total revenue for the first 3 months of 2021. So one can only imagine if regulators step in and order Robinhood to dull or replace more triggers, what would happen to their revenue? 34% of their cryptocurrency revenue came from users trading Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a meme currency that was basically made as a joke and doesn't hold value when compared to Bitcoin. If investors lose interest in Dogecoin, then this could hurt Robinhood bottom line. For the first 3 months of 2021, cryptocurrency transactions made up 17% of their revenue. Last but not least, Robinhood was just fined $70 million by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority for approving users who did not qualify for risky option trading, providing misinformation on account amounts, and for not handling outages in a timely manner. Plus, let's not forget the way Robinhood inhibited some of their investors from buying certain meme stocks a few months back, which was covered in a previous video. These violations caused millions of investors financial harm. Keep in mind the violations are not limited to those previously mentioned. Remember drums to do your own research.
Hey drums, I'm Junior the Bull. It's not all bad news with Robinhood. Remember, they are seen as the innovators amongst retail investors. They currently lead, and other platforms have seemed to follow. Their easy-to-use interface and free-of-charge trading structure has caused other platforms to convert from charging per trade to a similar payment for order flow style. On top of that, they are becoming well known for their pre-IPO exposure to their retail investors. That's a great opportunity for investors to get into a company before going public, which can help them avoid paying the 25 to 36% price increase on day of open. We look forward to seeing what other ways Robinhood plans on leveling out the playing field between corporate America and retail investors. It never hurts to own shares in a platform you use daily, especially if the company itself is offering Class A common stock shares, where one share equals one vote in certain business matters. Finally, Robinhood has created a live support line for customers and plan on expanding certain services. Please review their website for more details. Remember, drum stonks always go up.
What are your thoughts on buying Robinhood shares at the pre-IPO price range? Plus, do you think there will be a major shortening by retail investors? Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Remember drums to secure the bag.